Hi everyone, I'm Daisy from Balloon Daisy Clown. We are continuing our series of summer balloon animals for beginners. We already made a snail, a butterfly, a ladybug, a flower and a pea pod. And today we'll show you step by step how to easily make a very beautiful flower out of just one long balloon. How to make the flower center. We'll twist an apple twist. Use the index finger of one hand to put the knot inside the balloon. Then grab it with your other hand and twist. Slightly pull the knot toward the middle to secure it in place. Now let's make the petals. Determine the size of the petal and twist 3 long bubbles. Twist them together at the base of the first and third bubbles, and then fold and twist each petal. Straighten the bubbles out. How to make the stem and leaves. Twist 2 pinch twists and adjust the bubbles. Simple and easy, do it yourself. Don't forget to subscribe.